Here we have the Sulwhasoo Concentrated Ginseng Renewing Serum. This is actually the mini size, and this I love, especially for aging skin. I just feel like it's a perfect addition to any skincare routine. It's concentrated ginseng, so you only need just a little bit. This is the mini size, and it's enough to get you through quite a while. It's also good for travel because it's under that 3-ounce mark, so you can take it with you on the plane. Like I said, it's hydrating, the serum. I've been really impressed. It has definitely had an improvement on the firmness and fine lines of my face. Not that I want to admit that I'm getting those, and the wrinkles. So again, this is the Sulwhasoo Concentrated Ginseng, the Renewing Serum. And especially if you are already using Sulwhasoo products, this is a great addition to your skincare routine. I use it both in the morning and at night. I hope this helps with your decisions on what to add to your skincare routine. Have a great day.